This is a straightforward software comparison. An AI voice guides the walkthrough.
Starting with pricing, MyTaxPrepOffice follows a fixed annual license model designed for professional tax preparers who want predictable costs and unlimited filing capacity. Pricing is tiered by plan, starting with the individual Pro plan at $695 per tax year, moving to the Essential plan at $995, and topping out with the Unlimited plan at $1,295. Each tier increases in price based on supported return types, number of user accounts, storage limits, and office locations. What makes this model attractive is that every plan includes unlimited federal and state e-filing, meaning once the annual license is paid, preparers can file as many returns as needed without worrying about per return charges, volume limits, or seasonal price increases. This creates strong cost predictability for firms with steady or high client volume, especially during peak filing season, and reduces administrative time spent tracking per return expenses. However, the upfront cost can feel expensive for solo preparers or seasonal filers who may not fully utilize the unlimited structure. In comparison, Tax990 uses a pay-per-form pricing model focused specifically on non-profit and compliance filings. Pricing varies by form type, with Form 990N priced around $19.90, Form 990EZ at $99.90, Form 990 at $199.90, and discounted rates available when filing 5 or more returns using prepaid credits. Additional forms such as 990PF, 990T, C, A Form 199, and Form 8868 are priced individually, and bundled discounts are offered for combo filings. This structure keeps entry costs low for organizations filing 1 or 2 returns, but becomes more transactional as volume increases and requires closer cost monitoring as filings grow. Moving into features, MyTaxPrepOffice is built as a full professional tax preparation ecosystem. It supports individual and business returns, including Forms 1040, 1065, 1120, 1120S, 990, 706, 709, and specialty returns depending on plan level. The platform includes unlimited federal and state e-filing, integrated bank products, client portals, remote signature tools, after-the-fact payroll, multi-office management, and prior year return access. Preparers can manage client records across multiple tax seasons, collaborate across teams, and handle both individual and business workflows inside a single system. Higher tier plans unlock multiple user accounts, expanded storage, enhanced reporting, and advanced administrative controls, making the software suitable for growing firms with multiple preparers and locations. From a pros and cons perspective, MyTaxPrepOffice's biggest advantage is predictability and scale. Unlimited filing removes per return math, and broad return coverage supports diverse client needs across individuals and businesses. Client portals, bank products, and e-signature tools streamline peak season workflows and reduce back and forth with clients. The downside is flexibility. The upfront license cost may be inefficient for low volume preparers, and the platform is not optimized for transactional tasks like bulk 1999 filing or single nonprofit only filings. The feature depth can also feel excessive for solo preparers handling only basic returns who may prefer lighter, usage-based tools. Switching to Tax990, this platform is purpose-built for non-profit and compliance filing rather than full income tax preparation. Tax990 focuses exclusively on IRS Form 990 series filings and related non-profit forms, making it a specialized solution rather than a general tax platform. Supported forms include Form 990N, 990EZ, 990, 990, PF 990T, Form 8868 extensions, CA Form 199, and additional state and compliance filings.
Built-in validation checks help reduce errors before submission, and rejected returns are retransmitted at no extra cost. Tax990 also offers complimentary extension filings, no-cost amendments for returns originally filed on the platform, and long-term document retention, with filed returns stored securely for up to 10 years for audit and compliance reference. For organizations filing multiple returns, Tax990 provides prepaid credit bundles that reduce the per-form price, making it more economical for accountants, bookkeepers, and service providers managing several non-profit clients. Smart AI Assistance helps guide users through complex schedules and disclosure requirements, while review sharing tools allow internal teams or external stakeholders to review filings before submission. The platform also includes IRS acceptance tracking, email notifications, and a clean dashboard that shows filing status across multiple organizations, reinforcing its compliance-first design. From a pros and cons standpoint, Tax990's biggest strength is specialization and efficiency. It is laser-focused on non-profit compliance, which reduces setup time and removes unnecessary features that can slow down filing. Pay-per-form pricing keeps costs low for small non-profits, and bundled credits reward moderate volume without forcing long-term contracts. The downside is scope and scalability. Tax990 does not support individual or business income tax preparation, payroll, sales tax, or firm-level client management. Workflows are transactional rather than operational, which limits efficiency for full-service tax practices, handling a wide mix of return types. Looking at ratings, MyTaxPrepOffice holds a strong 4.5 out of 5 rating on Capterra, based on hundreds of verified reviews, with users frequently praising unlimited filing, value for money, and broad return support, while some note a learning curve for solo preparers. Tax990 does not currently display an official Capterra rating, and public review data remains limited, which makes direct comparison difficult. As always, ratings should be interpreted cautiously and aligned with specific filing needs rather than used as standalone decision drivers. Final takeaway: if you're a professional tax preparer or firm that needs unlimited returns, predictable annual pricing, and a complete income tax preparation environment for individuals and businesses, MyTaxPrepOffice is the stronger long-term solution. If your focus is non-profit compliance and Form 990 series filings, and you prefer a streamlined pay-per-form platform built specifically for accuracy and IRS acceptance, Tax990 is a clean and cost-effective choice. If this comparison helped, hit like, subscribe for more in-depth software breakdowns, and click the link below to explore both platforms and choose the one that fits your workflow, volume, and compliance needs best.